Sitting here watching the charts and shit. Oh my god, you're wildin'. Oh my god. These niggas just wanna play with me today, bro. Should Brandon still be bearish though? That's the question. Alright, boys. Today I think we're gonna get shorts very early into the open. No bap, no cap, no kizzy, no busy, you feel me? And I'll explain why if I don't take a short right now. Hold up. Alright. 9:30 just open. Oh my god, we're dumping. I don't even think I'm in this bitch. Alright, cool. No SMT yet. God damn it, I knew we was gonna run, nigga. I need an entry, though. I can't just get in off of nothing. This is my draw right now, this 0.5 level. We're about to see. I wish I had the 15-second in this bitch. Alright, hold up. Once I get in, I'm gonna explain why if I find the entry, because this shit is just going a little too fast. Let me see. Yeah, we need to develop a whole model. I was about to see if I could get in off an order block, but I can't let this move get me too confident already. We need a fair value gap to open up. We do have a market structure shift though. Please don't take that low already, sweetheart. I know you don't give a fuck about my feelings, but NASDAQ, please don't take that low already. Please just say, God damn, Nas. Well, we took the low. Fucking piece of shit. How they gonna do me like that, bro? That quickly. Well, fuck it. No entries for shorts, so we gotta look for something else. I would say let's look for something on ES, but now we got this huge ass SMT. Like, what the fuck? Know what I'm saying? This how they wanna do us, bro. This shit is crazy. Nah, it's all good though, I ain't chilling. I got some coffee, I'm feeling great, I'm feeling delicious. What? Pause. I'm feeling great. I'm energized a little bit. Nas is pissing me off though. And I'm gonna tell you exactly why I'm bearish. I mean, look at this. I really got my bearish bias off of ES. No cap. I don't even know if I should take sales at this point because we already took this low over here. Alright, look, let's go on the 15 minute. I'm gonna just show y'all what's going on real quick, let myself think a little more. Boom. So what happened yesterday? We had this big ass push up. This big push up after the big push down. Now why? I just want to show y'all this real quick. Remember how I was talking about standard deviation over here? I used this big move down, wherever the fuck it was. Somewhere. Where the fuck is it? Whatever. I used standard deviation to figure out that we were going to come back to equilibrium. I think it was actually over here. I used this move. We were rejecting the 2.5 over here. I knew it was going to come back to equilibrium. Well, I'm doing the same shit right here. Look at this. SD. Boom. 2.5 is right there. We rejected it. Now I believe we're going to move back to equilibrium. So, yeah. That's really it. We got SMT at these highs and shit as well. No, we don't. Set the bigger highs, but I think I'm about to sell, man. Ooh, we're going to do one contract. Now I gotta be real careful on this, man, because we could just not want to go down there at all because ES already took, NQ already took these lows. So I should probably, damn. I'm gonna wait for more structure, man. I'm real pissed off. I'm not pissed off at all, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not angry whatsoever. I'm just a little indecisive at the moment, literally because of this. It's fucking my shit up. It really is. So now I kind of just have to, I have no choice but to be careful. Now anyways, yeah, so we rejected this 2.5 area. We also swept these 1 hour highs right here and tapped into this 1 hour fair value gap. We rejected and then we started to consolidate a lot. So coming into the open, I expected some type of internal manipulation, sweep out these equal highs. We came up, we swept out these highs. On the 15 minute on NQ, we swept these highs, boom. But on ES, we did not. That's a manipulation. Now I expect to move to 50%. NQ already had the move. I think ES is still going to, but we've been seeing all week. NQ takes a low, ES takes a low, and the other one doesn't. So I'm a little nervous. I'm a little hesitant. Oh, and I might post video from yesterday. Nothing happened in the morning. I mean, a lot happened in the morning, but there was no setup at all. And I took a loss in the PM session. I think I was taking longs trying to target equilibrium. Oh, I literally mentioned that in here. I forgot y'all didn't see that. I took this manipulation move right here, like this. I'll just show y'all real quick. I'm trying to fuck with standard deviation a little more. Boom, we got the 2.5 area in here. We wicked it. And we were showing that we were rejecting that area, which means we're probably going to come up to equilibrium with this range. Boom, I take equilibrium with this range. That's right here. I was trying to take longs to target this. I took longs in like this area right here, like around 1 o'clock. I ended up cutting my loss early, lost $11. I was risking 22. I actually lost $14 at the commissions. We ended up having this move at 3 p.m. So I just took it a little early. Man, we actually took this high first on ES. That was unexpected. Alright, now I gotta accept reality. We might be coming up to take out this buy side. I gotta zoom out a little bit. I'm gonna mark out this SMT first, but I gotta zoom out. Especially if NQ comes up here too. It might be clipped, bro. It might be looking bullish. I wouldn't be surprised if this was bullish for the rest of the day. I wouldn't be surprised if we sold off either, because I really don't have a bias at the moment. I need a little bit more structure. This motherfucker got ran through. Wait, what time is news? I didn't even check that. I forgot. Today's Thursday, right? 10 a.m. Oh my God. They playing with me today. Might as well wait for that, huh? Let's see if we run through this, bro. We damn near gonna run through this. Don't let us create a little fair value gap right here. Don't let us do that. And Q finna fuck around and find out. And I need a strong move now, bro. I need we moving down. And news is in 2 minutes. Oh my God, you pussy ass bitch. They just wanna fuck with a nigga right now, bro. You feel me? I'm gonna see what news does and I might get in still. This might be like a little retracement before I push up. We're not moving too ferociously. News might come in and just dump this bitch, and then I'm really just gonna be like, yo, fuck it. I really do love this shit, bro, and I've been loving it more and more recently. I don't know why. Like, I always liked it, but more and more I've been loving this shit. Sitting here watching the charts and shit. Oh my god, you're wild. Yo, do you see this? Right before news came out, we came all the way up here, bro. Nah, that's not normal. I'm not touching this shit yet. Did y'all see that shit, bro? Oh my god. These niggas just want to play with me today, bro. Let's see if the news can give us something to work with. Should Brandon still be bearish, though? That's the question. See right here, we both switched to the upside barely, but we did. Came back into it for everybody. You gotta know, trying to object and push out some more. Look how we just closed. Difference is the next. We just filled that fair value gap though. To the T. So that could be a sign right there. I fuck with this Snoopy mug. Yeah. I don't know where the fuck it came from. Look at this. Look at this cute ass shit, man. Who says that cute ass shit? Who says that about the market, bro? Like, shut up, bro. No, for real, look at this move down. We could come back up in this area and continue down, but damn, should I even target? Cause NQ looks better right now, but should I even target these highs right now? I mean, should I even target these lows right now? We already took that shit, man. And ES need to really push right here. Or I'm gonna have to take this on NQ, bro. Or don't take it at all. You can do that too. That's facts. That is facts. Do y'all talk to yourself the way I'm talking right now? I be talking to myself like crazy when I'm trading. I already talk to myself on a regular basis, so when I'm trading, it's like OD. Like, yo, is this nigga crazy type shit, bro? What's the 5 minutes looking like over here? Not that clean. It's not looking clean on ES to this day. To this fucking day. I'm going to set my limit order up here. Which is $43 fucking dollars. Holy shit, I ain't doing that. I'm not risking $43 on a $100 account right now, bro. I'm sorry, I can't do it. If I got in up here with a tight little stop, let's just do a tight ass stop, man. Nah, hold up. Am I ready for that? Look at me canceling another goddamn order. Is this enough to say we want to move to the downside? We did break below this low, and we did have displacement through it, and we did close below this 1 minute fair value gap, and we're pushing down on NQ. But is that really enough for me? Yeah, I'm really gonna take the risk. I'm risking about $13 on this to make what, 50 or some shit. Nope. I'm risking about, damn, that's only 48. Who cares? This is a good hour. Let's go back to 5 minutes on here and see what we're looking at. Oh, we are kind of rejecting this area. I'm taking this off for now. I don't know that we actually want to push down yet. So we're just gonna wait and see for a little second. I know I'm being real indecisive, but cause that's the third time I took off a trade, right? But look at this wick, and we got this fair value gap right here. I don't see a reason to go higher though. That's the real. Okay, yeah, that's facts. Let's put it back on. All right, now I'm done playing. I don't see a reason to go higher, so that's why I'm willing to put this on. And I see a big reason to go lower. So we done playing games now. All right, I'm sorry guys, but we wouldn't have got filled yet anyway. So just calm down, buddy. Just got tapped in. Let's see how we react. See what ES does. No, even this is about a 1 to 2, so I would be fine taking it right here. So we just gonna see how price starts to react to these different levels. Every single one of these levels could be a take profit. You feel me? So we gonna see how price reacts. I really wanna see that low down there though. We gonna wait. We gonna be patient, and that's it. Oh, I didn't like how that. Stop talking so much. I'm over here reacting and shit. You can't handle $13 on the line. I accepted the risk. I'm risking $13. That is the risk of this trade. As soon as you press sell, your $13 is gone, man. Did you accept the risk? You say, look, I'm willing to lose this much when you press the trade. So, are you willing to lose this much for real? Or are you over here really just praying it goes in your direction? Are you really just hoping for a win? Are you only looking at the upside? I risked $13. Excuse that burp. I risked $13, so nigga, I'm gonna see this shit through. I'm gonna chill. I will not take off anything until you see this 5-3-1-3-50 level get hit, or you see this motherfucking 5-3 or 5 level get hit. It has to be one or the other. Again, I don't see a reason for us to come up in this area, bro. I don't see it. You already had the buy side sweep. You already had the stop rate. We filled in the 1 hour fair value gap. But I see a very, very big reason to come down here. We've been rejecting the 2 to 2.5 level standard deviation on a higher time frame manipulation and leg up. We got all of this by sell side that hasn't been touched. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different points of sell side that hasn't been touched. We still haven't rebalanced the equilibrium, or to this breaker block, or to this 1 minute, or to this low down here either. That's why I've been bearish this whole time. Even when we pushed up, even when we kept breaking through the levels that I fucking put out, I was still bearish. I was watching Justin's old live trading videos, man. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about Justin Wordly. I don't know how to say his last name. I don't know how to say his last name. It might be Wordly. His channel name is called Tactical Traders. That was a couple months ago. He changed that shit on. I've been watching him since the summer. He's the reason why I can look at the market the way I do, bro. And I'm not even in his Discord. I only watch his free shit, bro. That's how much value he putting out, bro. I started off with Doyle Exchange, probably watching it for a couple months, maybe even less than a month. Then I moved on to TJR. I never really moved on. I still watch all 3 of these things. But then I started watching TJR. I watched his boot camp. That shit helped me a lot with the basics of ICT and SMC concepts. Then I seen him and Justin did a live webinar together. I watched that shit. I'm like, yo, this nigga knows exactly what the fuck he's talking about, the way he speaks, how confident he is. I gotta watch his shit. So I started watching his shit. And I mainly focused on Justin's shit. I don't really watch TJR like that. TJR's a lot simple though, so a lot more simple. So it was easy for a beginner like me to come in and just look at what he's doing and I can understand it. Justin's shit, if you ain't never heard of ICT, if you never even looked at trading, you're not gonna understand what the fuck that nigga's saying, bro. But it was the same with me. I didn't know what the fuck that nigga was saying at first. I just kept watching over and over, and eventually I understood it. It's like trying to learn a new language, literally. Like you trying to learn Spanish, you immerse yourself in the Spanish language and that culture and all that shit until eventually you figure out what the fuck's going on. You're not gonna have no idea what they doing, but eventually you figure it out. Question is, was that the morning objective? I don't think it was. Was this the morning objective? It very well could have been. I don't think it was though. If it was, we took it at 9:45, and after that, everything else is low probability. We still haven't gotten any displacement on the 5 minutes, so I'm not liking that yet. We did our NQ though, and I'm still confident regardless. I don't really care. If I get stopped, it sucks, but you know, it is what it is. It's fucking $13. It's gonna hurt my pride more than it's gonna hurt anything. $13 is literally like motherfucking. What can $13 even buy you, my nigga? A sandwich from QT? 2 sandwiches from QT. And they're not gonna be the good ones. They're not gonna be the ones that they cooked in the back. No, that's Cam. I think I got. Never mind. Let me stop, man. Let me stop talking about random shit, bro. That might be why y'all here though. Y'all might like hearing me ramble and shit. While the trade goes sideways and I eventually get stopped out. I think I'm gonna take this shirt off, bro. But that's kind of against my rules. I can't take it off right now. I gotta wait. I need to take the 5 minute more into account next time because I did see his rejection and I didn't like it. Just because we have no reason to go higher doesn't mean we won't chop sideways. That's what I should have thought about. Just because we have no reason to go up here doesn't mean we won't chop sideways and hold this speedy right here. I didn't want to mark it out because it felt like I was acknowledging it and it would give it power, which is retarded, I guess, but this is what I'm talking about right here. We've been holding the fuck out of this fair value gap. We didn't really get this placement to a high on the 1 minute at all, so that's a good sign, but we still did push up and close above some highs. I really want to close this shit. I ain't even gonna hold you. We're finding a re-entry or something, but I'll be breaking my rules, bro. I have rules for a reason, but it feels like I'm gambling right now for not just closing this shit. But I can't let fear affect me. This is how trading gets so complicated, bro. It gets so mentally complicated, bro. I feel like that's why you just gotta step away. Set your TP, set your stop loss, step away. And the best thing you could do to avoid a loser is to find better setups, to learn from the setups that you lost from where you won from. So if I lose, I'll journal this. This wasn't a good setup. This is the reason the 5 minute didn't have enough confluence. I'm gonna go deeper than that, but that's the basic premise. And then, in order to not take a loss of this nature again, I don't take the trade in the first place. Getting out of a trade early isn't gonna solve the problem if you keep taking this setup. But I could get out of the trade early and just not take the setup anymore. Just journal that shit. You see what I'm saying? So I don't know. This shit kind of pissing me off. That I feel like I can't get out of the trade because it's against my rules. I'm getting out. Yeah, fuck that. Fuck all that bullshit, bro. Little $6 loss. This was a sign, man. I shouldn't have got in after I saw this wick. I took the position off. Yeah, I still stayed in that mode. I still put it back on. Should have just kept it off, to be honest, follow my instincts. This wasn't a great setup, man. It's choppy, it's not efficient, you feel me? You can't make emotional decisions. Nah, fuck that. You can't really make decisions while you're in a trade. It's almost like when you play a sport. When you play sports, you're supposed to practice and practice and practice and practice. And when you're practicing, that's when you're sitting there thinking about, okay, should I be doing this or should I do something else? Should I be, like, what do I need to work on? What do I need to tweak? And then when you're in the game, that's when you actually just play. You don't think about shit. You just play and execute based on how you've been practicing, right? I think it's the same with trading. You set rules and you set a plan before you get into a trade. Because when you're not in a trade, when you're practicing, when you're backtesting, when you're journaling, and you make a plan based off of what you're seeing, you're in a more logical state of mind. As soon as you put money on the line, doesn't matter if it's $1 or fucking 15 or 100,000, bro. As soon as you put money on the line, your whole mindset just shifts. It changes, bro. You can no longer think logically. You think you're thinking logically, but you can't really think logically. For that reason, I think it's hard for me to say that this was a bad trade. It's really hard for me to say that that ES trade was a bad trade in terms of management. Bro, I get niggas saying like you should not care if you lose. I understand that, and I agree. I don't really care about that loss too much, but you just get tired of losing when you're unprofitable, bro. When you're a profitable trader, it's much easier to not care about losing. I'm not profitable, so I can't. I feel like it's just common sense, though. If you win more than you lose, and you know you're making money in this shit, you know you're a full-time trader, you know you're certified in this bitch, bro. If you take a loss, it's not gonna affect you as much. You got a track record behind you, bro. It's like, no, I'm still profitable. I'm still that nigga, bro. You just lose sometimes in this bitch. When you're unprofitable and you're working every day to become a profitable trader, and you lose again, that shit hits you. Even if it's a demo trade, bro. It ain't even about the money, it's about your pride and about the amount of work you put into this shit. So it's like, yeah, you shouldn't care about a loss, but nigga, how? How do you not care about a loss? You understand it's a game of probabilities, but nigga, I've been losing more than I win. I know I'm gonna get there eventually, but it's still like, it still hits, bro, regardless. You still don't like that feeling, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, fuck it. We're gonna keep going. I'm never gonna stop, that's for damn sure, but we just moving sideways. But the ultimate thing, the ultimate sign was this right here. This big wick. When I took my position off, we were still holding this fair value gap. We had this big wick. That's not efficient price action. We did not want to move down. This is not efficiency, bro. Looking at it now, obviously I have the benefit of hindsight, and the loss probably put me in a whole different psychological state. But it looks so much worse now that I'm looking at it. It looks terrible. Why did I get in this trade type shit? You feel me? Like, why would I press sell on that? Why would I put a limit on it right there? But it is what it is. I'm about to get off the charts though, because don't look like anything's gonna present itself anymore. Kind of shit price action. I mean, we did sell off to my original target early this morning, but there was no entry for me at all. We sold off in 2 candles. 9:30, 9:31, we already hit my shit. That was what I had confidence in. I had no plan B beyond that point. We came back up and I stuck with my bearish bias the whole time. Well, I'm getting off the charts, I'm gonna catch up, man.